So now we'll go into the USDA's civil rights. So discrimination is different treatment, making distinction from others either intentionally or by neglected actions. And they give us the 4 Ds to kind of note when discrimination might occur. So that would be if someone's delayed benefits or services, denied benefits or services, treated differently than others, or given a disadvantage, and then disparate treatment.
Mm-hmm. That's a difficult word. I think it just means different. Yeah.
So civil rights complaints can be submitted verbal, or can be, I guess, witnessed in verbal, in writing, or observed. They can be submitted to the USDA directly. They can be submitted to the Oregon Department of Education directly, or you can notify the sponsor. So I'm one of the CACFP sponsors that you can notify, and I'm given 3 working days to send the complaint to the ODE Child Nutrition Program.
I have a question. What if you observe a civil rights violation that's not associated with the food program?
Great question. So we would still want to document that and send that away. So anytime there's any discrimination.
Okay, great.
So how long do we have to file a complaint? So the window we're given is 180 days. So we have to, if the complaint or action occurred prior to those 180 days, it wouldn't be something we would file. So that's why it's really important to just get the ball rolling as soon as you have this complaint or witness something. So the procedure would be to, that the complaint is received by the sponsor and that it's documented in the complaint log. So each center has a civil rights binder that includes both the training log. So once you finish this training, you'll go find that binder and sign it to show that you finished the training.